Thanks to all our sponsors. Help with the truck and tractor pull this weekend. FC Pruitt. Also SB Stock Demolition. Also James River. Right ahead of James River.
Gosh, heck of a start for that. You see that? Whoa. Is this a stock? Yeah.
On a 47 from all in.
Woo. No, that's gas. That's a heck of a start right there. That was also a heck.
Also, some of our sponsors, Sunbelt Rentals, along with Tractor Hill, for the use of their Kubota tractor out here working a Striker tractor, along with Bobcat of Fredericksburg, and D.E. Hawthorne, and the Louisa FFA chapter. The guys and gals of the FFA chapter out here working the pull, doing the flagging and unhooking and everything that goes on the truck side. They appreciate their help. Steve Scott, out of Claude, Virginia. On the farm ball list for your first puller. Then William Humphrey on the number 2 spot.
Right now, hey, it's running pretty good. It's not lifting yet. Oh, starting to lift now. Oh, it's lifting. Oh, it's still going. Jesus. About.
Hey, he just keeps going. He's gonna stop.
Oh, he's out. And not as good as the other one. This 5001 starting to slide. Look at it getting sliding on the right. Slide. Yep.
On a farm all in. Then Wesley, also on his farm all in.
What did you think of building down there to the farmer's market? You pretty good. That's pretty good. They just got all the people.
I'll go get some cheese fast.
Hold on. Don't move yet. Until after this pull.
been to one of their,
Legal stuff.
I think every Friday night, every Saturday night, they have something going on there, you know. So the local place to go on Friday night.
Down Mechanicsville on a farm roll in, coming on down the track.
I've heard something this morning here that's made of that special race.
Still going. Pretty good.
It's not making a mess stand.
Gooder than the other one's not bad. Or unless the battery recharges that quick.
They're free service in the garage.
That would be cool if it automatically recharged.
Yeah, the parking lot.
This one's very teeny engine and it sounds really quiet.
I didn't even know it was starting.
William Deach on a farm roll in.
Yeah, slow and steady. Strange looking tractor though. I mean, look how weird the front of it looks. Very strange. Yep, it's very quiet too. And boop.
We have your attention, please. Brittany Warden. Brittany Warden comes to the announcer stand as the tractor pull the track leaves. For Brittany Warden. If you would please come to the announcer stand as the tractor pull track.
Isn't all in the 5000 series. This has got a lot more power in it.
On a Farmville 8.
Farmville 8, huh? Tractor's moving.
Doing all that so far.
Oh, starting to lift now.
I think it's gonna make it past the stand.
It's not gonna make it. This one's gonna be probably the shortest one.
Yeah, Bill.
Cut it.
Didn't even make it to the stand.
Whoa, this has got a lot of power for a gas one. Look at that.
I mean, not sure this one can do.
Well, listen how much engine power it's got for that thing. That's pretty good for stock 5000. Oh, well, looks like we're underestimating it. It's already given up.